What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing something cool and crazy. We are heading towards Vespa to pick up the brand new GTS 300. Got Josh being my Uber driver today on his ZX400 Kawasaki. I say Z, we're not American, I should say Z. But this beautiful bike here has under 10,000 Ks still on it. How many Ks?
Just under 5,000, 4,900.
Just under 5,000. Brand new, what a beaut. This is Josh's first bike. He's going to be upgrading very, very soon. So we'll see that on the channel as well. But let's suit up and head out towards Vespa. All right, hopping on. Got to put on the Molossi gloves. These mirrors do nothing for me, but anyway, they look good. Vespa, here we are. Okay. How's it, Desmond? Heading up to the Vespa Workshop. We see what's in here. I hear something that doesn't sound like a Vespa. 1000cc FZR. Woo! Looking good. Got a whole bunch of new Vespas in here and Aprilia SR. Looking good. Check out this Aprilia SR 150. What do you guys think of this? I don't know what mods we could do to it, but I'm sure we could potentially. These look quite nice. They look very sporty. It's got that same look as the old SRs and the BWS 50, so I like the style. Maybe we put something in it, put a pipe on it, see what we can do with this one day. It's looking really good. I'm super excited to check it out. Thank you to Desmond for putting a nice Arrow exhaust on it. Thank you to Vespa for letting me borrow this. So we're going to suit up and head out and see how it sounds.
Look, it's supposed to have a little thingy for light running the seat, but they changed the underbuckle. You see, it's got like...
Oh, brand new engine. Check that out. SUPERTECH.
Digital display.
And keyless. Yes, and this is just the
SUPERTECH, top of the range.
top of the range. What did they do with the HPE?
This is the HPE.
Oh.
HPE 2.
Oh wow, okay.
Basically, what you can do is you can push in the middle.
Yeah?
The screen will come on. Just turn the ignition.
That's it.
That's it.
And you swing it on as long as you have the key in your
As
pocket.
long as you got the key in your pocket.
Woo! Sounding good. Baffles out already. I'm happy about that. Sounds good. I'm keen. So you say that one sounds better? Can we get a sound check on that one? Yeah. All right, let's hear what this one sounds like. Is this the Spark? Spark. I remember the Spark. The backfires are good. Yeah, I remember the Sparks and the Acro. It's fun to try the Arrow. I wonder if this one backfires. Oh, the Remus, yeah. Remus is a bit odd, but nonetheless, I'm excited. Yeah. Yeah, they are.
Actual sound, it's not for everyone.
All right, well, I'm super excited. Thank you to Desmond again. Thanks to the Vespa team. We're going to be heading out very soon. Josh and I are going to take a little cruise. Give it a test ride, find out all the tech and everything, and Desmond's going to show me how to download the app. So let's do that and hop on and head out. All right.
Oh yes, it's also a lecker function. tells you if your side stand, okay, it's not this one, but the other ones tell you if your side stands out.
Oh really? Okay.
But there you can also tell you, it automatically tells you the engine's cut.
That's cool. There's a lot that I need to figure out on here, so that'll be fun. Alright, thanks Des.
No problem.
I'll check you.
I'll scope you on Monday.
I'll see you Monday.
Cheers.
Cheers guys.
Have a blessed
Cheers
one.
man, have a good weekend.
Same to you.
I'll see you guys Monday. You ready?
Yeah.
This thing sounds so good.
What the fuck, dude?
I told you Vespa's gonna be sick, bro. Okay, let's go. Woo! Very nippy. This thing is very nippy. So this is the HPE 2 SUPERTECH. Got basically performance parts in your stock for the factory. I'm very keen to figure out all these electronics. I've already connected my phone, so I can get maps on there. There shows my phone's battery, all of that. Let's head around. Sounds good with this Arrow exhaust. Oh, this bus. South African traffic for you. Oh, look at that. Did you see that? It changes to light when you're in the shade, and when you go back to the sun, let's see if it changes. I don't know if I changed that. Probably not. Let's see. No, I think it's now that we're in the sun. That's pretty sick. This has a lot of features. Only 664 kilometers on the clock. It's got an app that goes with it, which you can then run your maps. It doesn't show the map, but it does show your directions, obviously to not impede your vision of your speedo. So that's pretty sick. Let's open this up now and see what you can do. Pretty nippy. Then you switch off this ABS. For a second. But I've switched it off since. I think that's the ABS. Sounds super good with this exhaust. I mean, the Vespa's always sounded really good. Got a really clean single cylinder sound. Alright, we decided to turn around, head to Auto Velvet here in Cape Town. Show Clayton this nice new HP SUPERTECH 2 2023 model. What the? We have some special people here. Got a unmarked Golf GTI. Got a, what is this? A Honda 1600. I don't know who's famous in there, if I'm honest. Pulling in now to Auto Velvet. So let's see. Oh, the TT's here. Oh, look at Clayton's Audi TT. Look at this carbon fiber wing. Looking clean. Got a M4, M3. M4, M2. I like this color. Clayton.
And
How you doing?
Lekker. Nice, man.
I brought a competitor to your Gilera, potentially. Got this from Vespa 2023
Yeah.
GTS 300 HPE SUPERTECH 2. Top of the line. Basically comes out performance driven already from the factory.
Jeez, man.
It's keyless start.
Has it got an acro pipe on it?
Arrow.
Oh, nice. Arrow, that beautiful pipe.
Yeah, keyless. It's got it connects to your phone. It's got maps.
It's got everything, just not fuel.
That's the thing that I just ran out of. Yeah.
You don't think it'll beat the Gilera?
No. It's kind of like feels like that flat 4-stroke. Like that flat 4-stroke that kind of like revs and then it plateaus. I got it says actually on here is my top speed.
Yeah.
There. Top speed max 135 I got now.
What are these retailing for?
Take a wild guess.
220.
Nah, a little bit lower, 205.
205.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And that's without the exhaust, obviously.
Yeah.
But yeah, take it for a little spin here. Do a little loop, man.
Sounds loud, eh?
It does, it does. Pocket rocket.
Yeah, boy.
Very nice, very smooth.
Yeah.
Very nice. I like it.
Not too bad.
Yeah. Very, very nice. So you had it flat taps?
Flat taps down default drive,
Yeah.
135. Not even on the rev limiter yet.
135.
Okay, we're heading up. That was fun. Alright, keyless start. This is great. Just keys in my pocket. Welcome. Turn the ignition knob. Little Vespa startup. I need fuel, but we're gonna head for some coffee. Chat about this awesome scooter. So let's head out.